What's going on, everybody, and welcome to another episode. And in today's video, I'm going to be photographing some mechanical keyboards. Now, this is an idea I've had for a minute now, so I definitely wanted to give it a try and see how it turns out. So I hope you enjoy. So throughout the video, I am going to show you the process of how I set up everything, including taking those pictures, so you can get an idea of what angles to get. And I'm just trying this out. I'm new to photography as well, so I just hope you keep that in mind. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So throughout these setups, I use deck of cards that are part of my collection. And originally I thought the 1885 one would work, but I went with the Voyager. So I thought that would look better with this retro theme keyboard. And I wish I had a better desk mat for this one, but I'm just going to use what I have for each setup. Okay, you guys, so that about wraps it up for this video. And let me know what you think of the photos of the mechanical keyboards. I do have reviews coming out soon, so stay tuned for those as well. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.